Hey guys, so welcome to my vlog. Today we're gonna be reviewing Chick-fil-A. And first we have the mac and cheese. It's creamy, it's gooey, salty. Oh man, it's just like a big hug. It's the best comfort food. I don't know, I just couldn't stop eating it. It's that good. And then next we have the waffle fries. They're golden, they're crispy and fluffy on the inside, and then if you pair it with that secret sauce from Chick-fil-A, oh man, it is good. That sauce you can just pair it with anything and everything will taste good. And of course, we have the star of the show. We have the chicken sandwich. The chicken is nice and juicy, it's well seasoned, salty, peppery, and smoky as well. It's really good. The bun is nice and fluffy, and then you have the pickles, which balances everything. And if you put a little bit of mac and cheese, it just makes it extra special. Don't just take my word for it. Go and try it. And if you tried it before, please let me know. What do you think about it? Do you prefer Chick-fil-A or Popeyes? In my opinion, Chick-fil-A wins. Alright guys, enjoy the video and see you guys later. Bye.